I usually do home decor type videos here on my channel, but today I'm changing it up with DIY decorated shirts. That's a thing, right? Decorated shirts? Okay, I'm making ugly Christmas sweaters that aren't sweaters and I hope aren't ugly. I'm on it, and let me show you the supplies for my ugly Christmas sweaters that I'm calling cute Christmas sweaters. And they aren't sweaters, they're just t-shirts and shirts. You'll need some sort of t-shirt or sweatshirt. Decals. You can use stencils, cut out some vinyl with your Cricut, use pre-cut shapes, or a mix of it all. You'll need some tape, and a spray adhesive makes this easier but isn't necessary. For the embellishments, I picked up some coordinating fabric from the Dollar Tree, embroidery floss from Michaels, and fabric paint, again from the Dollar Tree. Also, you'll need some cardboard, or a cutting board will totally work too. And you'll need bleach, which I don't have, so I still have to get some bleach. But I can still move on and get started, so I'm going to apply my decals to my shirts. With my Cricut, I cut out some Christmas themed decals. And using the shapes option in the design space, I also made some basic Christmas tree shapes and cut those out too. But you can still make these shirts without a Cricut. I transferred my decals onto the shirts using this super handy template. I used Oracle's 651 vinyl for all my decals. I just used different colors only because I'm trying to use up my stash of part-used rolls. The smaller the cuts, the harder it is to get it off the transfer paper and to get it to stick on the fabric. Larger images are so much easier. I'm done applying the vinyl to the shirts, and my best advice would be use the weakest transfer paper you have. Like, it just don't want to come off the transfer paper and stick to the shirt as nicely and as easily as I would have liked it to. So it was just took a little more effort than I was expecting. But I did say you don't have to have a Cricut to make these shirts. So here's the other way of doing it. Just pick up some little wood shapes. These ones, I guess you could use plastic or whatever shapes. These are just from the dollar store. Color your own ornaments. So I'm going to take out 3, just like in my other shirt. I have like 3 little trees. That's what I'm going to do here. I've got 3 little trees, and they have the holes for the ornaments right there. And I'm going to cover that up with tape because I don't want the holes I just don't want to see them on my shirt. Like that. Just kind of hides the hole. All right, so my 3 trees are ready. And this is where the spray glue is going to be helpful. I'm going to spray the backs of them and then stick them on like they're just vinyl. And the glue, this isn't permanent, this is just like the tacky one. So once I'm done, I can pull them off and just wash it and it's all gone. That's my plan. So let's just get these all lined up. Yeah, that's cute. It's gonna look good. The decals are ready, so I can move on and get these ready for bleaching. Yeah, I'm gonna spray bleach on them and then remove my decals and you'll see like the shape. How simple is that? So that's why I need the cardboard. I'm gonna tuck the cardboard inside. And I'm pushing it right up to the collar, like the neckline. And I don't want my sleeves to get bleached out, so that's where I'm gonna fold it. I don't want the sleeves to get any. And I think I'm going to stop it like that. So this is the only part that's going to get bleach. So I'm going to flip it over and tape that down. And now I just have to do this to the other 2 shirts and get them ready. It's gonna be fun. The prep work for these shirts is all done, and to move on to the next step, I've put a 1/4 cup of bleach and a 1/4 cup of water into the spray bottle, and I need to take these shirts somewhere safe to spray bleach. And I'm gonna be doing it in the garage, but you could do it in a shower or a bathtub, just anywhere where it's okay to spray bleach. And I used like a 1-to-1 ratio of the bleach to water, just because I didn't want to completely bleach out the color and make them white. I just want to fade out the color. So let's go see how this is gonna turn out. I always get excited about my projects, I know. Well, that's why I do them. These are now dry, so let's see how they turned out. Let's peel some of this off. Whoa, that's cool. Now, I did have to add more bleach to my mix. The 1-to-1 ratio, nah. I did add a little more. I did more like 80% bleach, 20% water. I think the other way, it was just too much water, and I think it just soaked the shirt, and I think that's why my edges are a little bit bleedy, but I think it looks kind of cool. I don't mind it. So yeah, you could definitely just use straight bleach, but I was just a little too concerned about that, just kind of eating up the fabric or just being too strong. But this definitely looks it looks like retro fun. It's definitely fun. I love down here where it kind of just sprays out, kind of comes more like an ombre effect down here. Let's see, I think that looks really cool. And it's just a fun shirt. Kind of gives like a different casual take on Christmas. I like it. Let's see the other ones. Ooh, this one, a little too much. It bled all the way through. I did way too much. Ooh, but this part looks a bit more spooky than Christmassy. Definitely a bit more spooky look. I don't know if I love this one as much. Let's see. Yeah, I think I did a little too much bleach. You can see it turned white, and then it kind of bled right through. Bummy. Okay, let's see what the trees look like. I'm surprised it turned out orange, but these just should pull right off. Look at that. Ah! Okay, this one's super cute. Ah! Okay, let's take it completely apart. Oh, this one's fun. I really like this one. Oh, but I'm not done with them yet. There's still more to come with this. I'm bummed out about one. Like, this one's not great. This one's amazing, and this one is adorable. Yeah. So 2 out of 3, not bad. Since these are Christmas shirts, I think they need a little, I don't know, something a little extra. So I picked up some metallic paint, like puff paint, from the Dollar Tree. So I got steel, silver, rose gold, and copper. Let's see what they look like to see if it's worth putting them on the shirts. I've never seen these before, so I thought, why not give it a try? Now I'm gonna decorate my trees. The middle one totally has to be polka dots. So I'm gonna start with copper because I think that one looks the best with this shirt. Oh, so cute. Oh. Okay, and it needs one right in the middle here. Super cute. Let's try a few dabs of steel. And lastly, I think a little bit of silver. That one just flew out on its own. Okay, that's where you're staying. I didn't want you there, but cool. I'm going to do the next one. I think I'm going to do like garland coming down like that. And I will start with my favorite color with this copper. Now I just need to leave this to dry. But really, that's super cute. For the red one, I'm gonna start with the rose gold, the one that looked kind of pinky. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, I don't know what it looks like, I guess lights around it? Yeah, that's what I'm calling lights. So these need to dry, and I need to come up with a solution for the shirt that I over bleached. But I think I have something in mind. Vinyl to the rescue. Now, this wasn't my plan. I wasn't planning on using vinyl, but I also wasn't planning on ruining my design. So vinyl it is. I don't want to waste the shirt. It's a cute shirt. You've got to see what happened when I ironed this on. So I can take this off now. It looks lovely. But wherever I applied the heat, it turned yellow now. This shirt's gonna be the death of me. Oh my gosh. It's just not wanting to listen. So I'm gonna try to see if I iron the rest of it, if it'll turn the same color and I don't have weird. I guess it sort of does. It's so weird. All right, this weird discoloration, I kind of tried to even it out. I don't know, it's less on this side, more on this side. I'm just gonna say that's like a really vintage vibe I was going for, right? Someone will believe it. And now I still wanna add some of the puffy paint just cause, I don't know, I think it'll be fun. So I'm using the rose gold one that was more pinky. I think it'll go with this, well, at least this part that was stayed pink. And I can definitely get away with silver. And now, tiny bit of the steel, the darkest gray. Now I'm wondering, should I add some dots around here or would that be too much? Okay, I'm done. This definitely looks very festive now, very Christmassy, and I'm just gonna step away and leave it just like this. My bleach out Christmas shirts are done, and this is my favorite. And I am still a little bit bummed about this one. It's still totally wearable and cute, but I am a bit bummed. And it was a lesson not to soak the shirt with bleach. Just mist it. And then if you want to take away more color, let it dry a little and then mist again. So lesson learned. And now it's time to move on to the sweatshirts. Now this design requires a little bit of sewing, both machine and hand sewing, which is why I picked the most basic tree shape. I'm not the best sewer. But this means that if you have even those basic sewing skills, you can totally do this. My plan is to use this fabric, this contrasting fabric, as the embellishment. And the first thing I need to do is cut a piece of this just a little bit larger than my vinyl decal. Now I need to pin the fabric behind, like inside the shirt. So it's going to be behind here. Make sure you only go through one layer and you don't do the whole shirt, just the front layer of the shirt. Now I'm going to machine sew around the outline of the decal. Now we switch over to hand sewing, and I have my embroidery needle and my embroidery floss. I'm going to double it up because I want this line to be very visible. And now what I'm going to do is just stitch kind of right along where I just sewed. Doesn't have to be perfect because you want it to look kind of like rustic, homemade, ugly sweaterish. The hand sewing's all done and I've outlined the tree completely, so I can remove that vinyl template now. All right, it's super cute, but I have one last step, and that is to cut out everything on the inside to reveal like the patterned fabric underneath. I'm just separating the fabric underneath so I don't cut that too. And you just cut it along your cute stitch line. How cute is that? Okay, I just need to clean up some of my cutting here. Some of my corners aren't super nice. Just need to clean that up and then I'll show you what it looks like. All right, here it is. That's just so cute and so easy to do. Which means I still have the red hoodie to do, and that has 3 trees. So I'm gonna do 3 different colors, like 3 different fabrics, and let's see how that turns out. But seriously, so cute. I'm totally gonna wear this. Okay, are you ready? Ah, that's so cute, isn't it? These are actually really easy to make. They're actually, I think, almost in a way sort of easier than the bleach ones, but both super easy to make and totally customizable. Like this looks cute. Yeah, this is something I would want to buy from a store. But I made this one for my sister, so I hope she loves it, and I totally made this one for myself. If you make any other like Christmas shirt ideas, let me know in the comments, because I like to do something different every year with my Christmas sweaters. So yeah, if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. Other than that, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. Totally appreciate it. And if you enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. It really helps out with the algorithm. And I have some other Christmas projects to get to, so thank you, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! I'm going to cut right today. Let me get just crackled. Okay, I'm doing ugly Christmas sweaters. No. But this is like the fun part. So yeah, I'm rambling now. I'm gonna take these somewhere that's safe to spray the spray bottle, and I'm going to spray. My hand sewing's all done, and I've outlined the tree completely, so I can remove that vinyl template. My